Fucking up in jail. Shorty on a pill. Shut a dick for 3 hours. She ain't got no chills. For real, I'm ready. So you want to go in there with me? Yeah. She don't want me to go in there with me, boy. She don't want me to fuck up with me, boy. She don't want me to go in there with me, boy. So don't let my neighbor.
Very much, monsieur, ça. C'est une homme qui aime ça, possible tout. On était pas quand elle va aller tout la fouille comme toi. On a déjà pas avec si respect, mais. Wow. Charlie. Yo, big soir. Qui est pas gagné toujours? Qui est pas gagné toujours, big soir?